We start by multiplying a matrix by a vector, and to multiply a matrix by a vector, we take rows of the matrix and multiply them by the vector. Take the first entry and multiply by the first entry, plus the second times the second, plus the third times the third, to find 1 plus 0 plus 6. And again in the next row, the first times the first, plus the second times the second, plus the third times the third, to find 2 plus 0 minus 4. Simplifying, this is 7, negative 2. So we started with a vector that lived in R3 because it had 1, 2, 3 elements. And we acted on it with a matrix that was 2 rows by 3 columns. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. And this is a 3 by 1 vector. And at the end, we got a 2 by 1 vector out the other end of the multiplication. Multiplying this same matrix by a different vector, now the vector negative 1, 3, 1, we take this row times this column and this row times this column to find a new 2 by 1 vector, and it's 1 times negative 1, plus 5 times 3, 14, plus 3 times 1, 17, and 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, plus 3 is 1, minus 2 is negative 1. Now we use these two separate matrix vector multiplications that we've done above to do a matrix-matrix multiplication. So to multiply this matrix times the second matrix, we take this matrix times the first column and use it for the first column here. And we take this matrix times the second column and use it for the second column here. We've already computed this matrix times the first column above, and that gives us 7, negative 2. And we've also computed this matrix times the second column above, which gives us 17, negative 1. So in this way, we can use this matrix vector multiplication to do a matrix-matrix multiplication.